Rise and shine, Christina. So I went dumpster diving and got this wooden pellet, and I disassembled it to create this coffin-shaped raised garden bed for Christina. Here I am starting off. Oh, watch out, Freddy! You almost tripped me! I started off with a hammer and crowbar and started disassembling the pellet, which was a bitch. It did this over a few days because taking apart each board safely and removing all the old screws took some time. Then here I am, just figuring it out as I go, putting in the general shape of a coffin, seeing what works, fitting the pieces, using my miter saw to cut what I need. Oh, there's a little flex, sorry about that. So yeah, miter saw, sawing. I don't really have dimensions. I just fucking wing this. Here I am carrying it. Gotta paint it black. Imagine it was a red door. Anyways, yeah, spray painted black. Nothing fancy, just some cheap spray paint. And then here I am putting it into the raised garden bed. And then I layered down the bottom with a bunch of cardboard. And then I cleaned up my yard with a bunch of old shrub and leaves and branches, filled that in as a base support, and then dumped in a bunch of soil. Now, we were going to plant a bunch of different pepper plants we have, but it was a little too cold this past weekend, so we'll be doing that over this past week. But here's the raised garden bed, all of its glory. It's a coffin. I fucking love it. I love it. I love it. I'm probably going to make some more for Halloween. Cheers, y'all. Peace.